We're slowly melting away that very large snowpack that will take some time to do so. I do expect we'll see more in the way of melting in the week ahead. Today, not quite as warm as yesterday. A little bit of a cool down here. We're in the low to mid 30s, but still warm enough for some melting, especially with the sun in place. But we're tracking a storm to our south tomorrow, so that will throw more clouds into our forecast, and for some of us, a chance of flurries. We are in the upper teens, the low 20s this morning. A little bit warmer in Boston, 29 degrees right now. We're making our way toward those low to mid 30s this afternoon under sunny skies. So it is going to be a relatively nice day for getting out and about. These temperatures that we're looking at today, though, in the low to mid 30s, that is below average. Our average high at this point in the mid to upper 30s. But as mentioned, it is still warm enough for melting. We have a storm that's developing out in the Midwest, and that will be passing to our south tomorrow. You'll see clouds increasing tonight ahead of this storm, and for some of us, a chance of some flurries. I'll have the timeline for the system ahead.
And I'm Sarah Conji in for Rondella. A lot of people kind of stretch out Valentine's Day over the course of the whole weekend.
Right.
So a lot of people might be going to brunch.
Sure.
Right? Like having, just doing something today.
Right. Just looking for an excuse to get out in the sun.
Yeah.
I think too, right? And many people are off tomorrow too. So if you're enjoying a long holiday weekend, the weather is looking in our favor for a change, right? Our weekend here is relatively quiet. We have nice calm conditions out the door right now. A little bit of a range in our temperatures out the door. We've been seeing this whenever we have a calm wind, that can happen. So as we move out into some of the coldest valleys, look at Nashville down to 10 degrees. Meanwhile, in downtown Boston, the urban heat island effect keeping us warmer. 29 degrees right now. But we'll see a more uniform outlook this afternoon temperature-wise as we make our way toward the low to mid 30s today under sun. It's below average. Our average high is about 39, but it is above freezing, so we will see some melting under the sun today. Here's the storm that we're tracking for President's Day. This is a storm that is going to have more significant impacts on the south today into tonight, but as it passes by our area, its closest approach is overnight tonight into tomorrow. We will see clouds moving into the area, and for some of us, a chance of flurries, enough that we might see some patchy coatings down toward Cape Cod and the islands. I'll break down the timeline for this, plus timing our next warm-up. Sarah, more clouds than sun yesterday. It's going to be much brighter out there for us today. And that storm that's impacting Texas and the south, while it's mainly a mist, some of us will see some flurries tomorrow. So it's all a matter of location, but it is not going to be a significant impact here locally. So we got lucky. Here's what's on our radar for the next 12 hours. It's cool, it's sunny, and we will stay dry. The next threat with that storm passing to our south tomorrow on President's Day, there will be more clouds moving into the area tonight into tomorrow, and there will be a chance for flurries in spots. We're looking ahead to the second half of our work week into next weekend. It's an unsettled, fast storm pattern, likely a chance of some rain and snow moving back into the area. Let's get you with a live look here, or a picture rather. This is from Hudson, so thank you to Ann on Twitter for sharing this with us. Beautiful shot of the colors here on the horizon as we're approaching sunrise, and I love these pictures that are coming in for sunrise this morning because it is much brighter out there this morning. Signs of what looks to be a pretty nice Sunday for us. We are in the 20s as we move from Boston out toward Worcester down to Providence, but some of our coolest valley locations are rather cold this morning. Look at Nashville down to 10 degrees, move down toward New Bedford, a little colder down there too at 15 degrees. We're looking at low to mid 30s this afternoon. We'll see temperatures warm enough that we will have more melting of our snowpack, but we're trending below average today. So we get back to above average temperatures tomorrow and the week ahead, but today will be a brief cool down. Sunshine in place with our 12-hour forecast. No sign of rain or snow. Can't say the same for our neighbors to our south. Here's that storm system that we're tracking, stretching from Louisiana all the way down toward even portions of the Florida Panhandle, all the way up into Ohio. So this will continue to stretch eastward, impacting the southern coastline and the mid-Atlantic coastline. As it passes its way toward the Atlantic, it will bring increasing clouds here locally tonight, and eventually that chance for flurries tomorrow. So we're looking cloudy but chilly and calm tonight. Low temperatures in the 20s. Tomorrow, with the chance of flurries to the south, many of us will miss out on that. It's a warm day. We're making a run toward 40, warm for February standards. Here's those clouds moving in tonight. I would say after 6, 7 o'clock, moving in from the southwest. The storm starting to approach New Jersey, New York City as we move toward late tonight. But here locally, it's between 4 to 6 a.m. that we could see a few flurries flying by. But the steadiest shield of precipitation mainly missing us to the south. That gets a little bit closer to Nantucket and the outer Cape heading into the early afternoon tomorrow before moving out to